Haka khatway tere unaitung arhajar arpoar ka Meghalaya Swimming Association kala penlong ka Jngi Jngi ki bakan sai na ka jela ban Mihkhmat ka Lympung Iakop Jngi ka Junior National Aquatic Championship arhajar arpoar ka basau pupra ban penlong ka Swimming Federation of India ha Odisha nadu ka khat hendriu terik hadu ka arpo terik unaitung arhajar arpoar.
One of the largest contingents. Minum ikram state ki bahe, and the state ki baret. Then the northeast kita tentang Tripura, Manipur, Assam, but the Meghalaya, southeast states.
Hi, my name is Ethan Joel Meonte Black. My age is 13. I live in Mihkhmat, Shillong. So I started my swimming practice at the age of 5. So this is my first ever tournament. I feel kind of excited yet nervous at this point. So we'll be leaving at on the 13th. So basically I have been swimming most of my life. My mentor's name is Jerry. The place where I swam, it's a private training. I swam in Nongra. He taught me well, so I want to do this tournament because I want to show him how much I've learned of him. So he has been a great instructor for me. He's been very friendly. So I never had a passion for swimming until my dad. He introduced me to swimming, told me to try it out if I liked it. So when I tried it out, I started liking it, having fun. And then I introduced it to my friends, and all of us, we started to swim. So now I want to represent the state and win a medal for Meghalaya. Thank you.